guys, nah lie still, the atmosphere is quite nice out here, Of course, Old Harbour is away from the hustle and bustle of Kingston, and thing. Wagwan people, what's up? Welcome back to the Delpratt family. As promised, we said we would provide you updates about Colbeck Manor. Alright, and here we are today in Old Harbour at the Colbeck Manor development. Alright, we're gonna be showing you these newly opened model units. Right, they actually have 3 different options. Alright, so we're gonna show you more about that. Alright guys, we did previous videos on developments for sale in Jamaica. Alright, and we'll be leaving links to those. There'll be some other more affordable options, ways you can actually do house sourcing in Jamaica as well. So all of those videos will be linked. The previous video where we talk about how you can also access basically get access to NHT benefits, all of those will be linked as well, guys. So you can definitely visit the link in the links in the description. Alright guys, and if you're new to the channel, you can always remember to subscribe for further updates, and of course do hit the like button, guys. Alright, here we go. Yeah guys, so basically they have 3 options. This is the 3-bed 2-bath, 2-bed 2-bath, and of course the 2-bed 1-bath options. They are all here. Development is nowhere near completion yet, but they have the model units up and running and ready, and we'll say the prices are quite affordable. Alright, we'll leave more pricing information in the description. Alright guys, so you can definitely check that out. Alright, yeah, so this is the 2-bed 2-bath. Alright, as I say, the starting price is actually from 13.5 million. That's for the 2-bed 1-bath option. The 2-bed 2-bath option is that we are here at right now is 15 million, and the 3-bed 2-bath option is 18 million. That's to our left. Alright, so we're gonna make a quick step in. Alright, so yes, this is basically what they call the vista. This is what the vista is like. Alright, the typical styling of the Chemtech homes, quite nice, quite elegant. Alright, love the ceiling, of course, because we know a lot of these parts, especially St. Catherine, it gets very hot, so the wooden ceiling would make for would be much cooler than say slab, for example. Alright, and of course here's the kitchen. The kitchen area, nice size. I mean for a starter house, this is not bad at all. Adequate space in that you can prepare your meals. Alright, there's actually a cupboard here in the kitchen as well. Not quite sure why no handles are here, but nonetheless, I guess that's just the style. You just hold it on the inside and you pull them open. Alright, so not bad. Alright, fit your standard stove as well. And of course you have the wash area. Alright, and your yard. Yes, I have the trowel lawn finish for the walls, quite nice, and the coated aluminum roofing. Yes, so this is it from entering from the back. All right. Yes, this looks like a double bed. Alright, and of course too, the dimensions will be placed in the description, or at least a link to view the dimensions will be put there. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys will be asking about, you know, size of the rooms and stuff like that. You know, so all that can be accessed in the description, guys. There's a little closet that you can access. Right, kind of small to be honest, but as I say, the starter units, you know, so you can always, you know, upgrade. You know, you can do construction to the back and so on if you wish. Here's the bathroom. I like the color of these tiles actually. It's a bit different. Yes. Alright, so I mean, everything is basically standard. Everything is basically standard. You would expect in a development like this. It seems as if this is like the master bedroom, because of course the cupboards, the closets are bigger. Alright. Again, this is a double bed. Alright. Yes. We're gonna show you the 3-bed, 2-bath unit next. Alright, so this is the entrance to what they call the Monarch. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath option. Alright. This is the front veranda area. Alright. Entering in, this is the living space. It's actually quite spacious, very big compared to the other options next door. Alright, and it's not like a tunnel, it's spacious. Alright, I like how they utilize the space actually. I don't know, a lot of these developments, especially when you have like 3-bedroom, it's kind of difficult for the architects to basically fit the rooms plus having the place looks spacious. So I'll say this one, them utilize the space very well. It don't look so like a tunnel, you know. And the kitchen is over this way. Alright.
This is what we have this.
Alright.
Kitchen is cut off.
Of course, this is the wash area. Wash area leading you outside. It's actually quite big. This is what they call the Monarch. Is what, 18 million they say. Alright. Is 18 million. So you can definitely the price is reasonable, I'll definitely say. Alright.
Very reasonable. Very competitive.
Hey guys, so this is the master. Alright. And of course the design is quite standard. But this master room over here in the Monarch is quite spacious. Alright, you can fit comfortably a king size bed and you can walk around with ease. But this is a king size bed right here. And you have 2 side tables, 2 nightstands. And you know the space is not crammed at all. Of course, you have a closet there. And the shower with the enclosure. And the standard sink, you know, and the fixtures. This is a guy 3-bed, 2-bath. So over on this side you have the 2 smaller bedrooms with the bathroom in the middle. Alright, the bathroom looks like those over by the other options. And this is one of the, like we call it, second room. Again, the way how they utilize the space is not bad at all. It's not crammed, you know. This is the 3rd room. Yep. So guys, remember that Colbeck Manor also comes with many amenities, including 24-hour security, clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, and many more, guys. This is basically all the options they have at Colbeck Manor and the different price points. Alright, so the first one here is the Cathedral at 13.5 million, 810 square feet, as you can see. And then the next option is the Vista 2-bed 2-bath at 15 million. All right, and then the Monarch 18 million, 3-bed 2-bath. Now remember that the deposit that they require is 10%. I guess this is what the front will look like after the development is completed. Quite nice, guys. Nah, lie still, you know, the atmosphere is quite nice out here, you know. Of course, you know, Old Harbour is away from the hustle and bustle of Kingston, you know, and thing. They really sort out the landscaping quite quickly though, because the other day that we were here, it's just mall dirt and thing, you know. They really come on pretty quickly, you know, with the development basically of these units. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, guys, so basically that's it for this tour, Colbeck Manor in Old Harbour. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave us a thumbs up. Alright, and of course we have other videos in the description and in the info card, so you can definitely refer to those. Alright, not sure if it's probably to the left, yeah. Up there the info card, you can definitely look for other videos linked as well. Alright guys, thank you, peace out. Remember to subscribe, guys. Alright, bye.